I love my makeup today. This is just like so beautiful. I love the colors. I love what's going on here. Do not mind my nails. I know this one just looks terrible. I actually in quarantine and I cannot go to my nails. So yeah, that's sad. I'm going to do the sleek, straight, low ponytail. Like you see, if you notice, there is a difference between this side to this side because I used a product that actually taking away all the frizz and making your hair a little bit much more sleek. So this is the healing oil, keratin healing oil, the frizz cream that I'm using. This one is by Lanza. This one is just a really good product that I'm actually using before I blow dry my hair, but I also find it really efficient to use it when I'm just straightening my hair and I just want to have this sleek look. So I'm actually using this one, and this one is just a really nice product, you guys. I'm giving myself about 2 quarts. I think it's enough, and I'm just gonna go from the top of my hair because we wanted to have sleek over here too, and like instantly you can see the shine on my hair. So beautiful. I'm just gonna go and kind of massage my hair on the bottom. I'm just gonna go and give myself 2 more quarts and just put it in the bottom of my hair. And because I did over here already, I'm just gonna go and just massage it a little bit over here too, just to make sure that we got thin, sleek over here. Alrighty, so right now it's actually time to go and start doing the process. The first thing that I'm going to do is to divide to 2 sections. I think that is just a very important step because we want to have this crown over here. And for this, we actually have to go and divide the hair to 2 sections. What I'm going to do, I'm just gonna go with my fingertips. You don't need any professional brush or anything like that. With my fingertips, I'm just gonna go and going where my hair line over here. Now, because I can't see my back, that's okay if it's not the straight line. That's okay. Do not feel bad about this. And I'm just gonna go and kind of lift my hair. The next product that I'm going to use is actually to use this hairspray right here by L'Oreal. I'm going to link it in my description below. And what I'm going to do is to spray just this part of my hair. I'm not going to spray all of this. Just here in the middle, which means right here. I'm just gonna go and do it all over my hair from this line right here. Just gonna go and take my hairspray and kind of spray this line through the middle. That's it. And from here, I'm just gonna go and take my soft wash, which you probably have it at home, and I'm just gonna go and kind of wash all my hair together. Now, we are slowly going to secure the bottom. Now, before we're going to secure the bottom, I want to show you where is the most flatter angle to actually secure the ponytail. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go and take all this piece right here. The next step that I'm actually going to do is to go back to the hairspray and making sure that we don't have any flyaways. So I'm just gonna go with my hairspray and kind of spray the sides of the bottom, the same here. Next thing, we're actually going to take the hair off. The next step is actually not that necessary to do, but because my hair is actually frizzy and I live in South Carolina and the humidity here is just like so crazy, so I really want to make sure that I don't have any frizz and my hair is completely sleek. So I'm going back to this product right here, which this one is the healing keratin oil, giving myself about 3-4 quarts. I'm gonna go from all over the top, all over my hair, making sure that everything is just wet. The next thing I'm going to do is to take an horizontal section right here to create the crown. Now it really depends how you want it to be. If you want it to be really volume or you want it to look natural. If you want it to look super natural, you actually don't have to take this step. But if you want to add it a little bit more volume, a little bit more dimension, I will definitely recommend this step. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go with my fingertips, and we want the crown to be basically from right here. So I'm just going to go with my fingertips. We have this horizontal section right here. I just like to go and wash it all over here to actually create the crown shape with my soft brush. And I'm just gonna go and add it a little bit cushion, just like right here. Is to take a V position right here with my fingertips. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it behind the whole ponytail, also the bottom ponytail. And I'm just gonna go and brush all the hair to the position that I like it to be. And washing it all over to my V position that I'm doing with my hand. What I'm going to do is actually to take a really nice thick piece right here for my hair. I'm going to spray it really nicely, so making sure that it's actually wet. I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail. So I'm just gonna go and wrap it that way. And to hide the sideways, what I'm going to do is actually to press a bobby pin. And next I'm going to take my spoolie right here, which this one is my brow brush, or you can actually grab a toothbrush if you don't have a spoolie. And what I'm going to do is to spray the hair on top of it. And now we're actually going to go and grab all the baby hair just inside to make sure that is very nice and sleek and we don't have any flyaways. And next I'm going to take my hair straightener right here, and what I'm going to do is actually to make sure that it's really straight, but also making sure that these layers right here, they're going to be in the same shape. So I'm going to show you how to do this. But before, we just want to make sure that it's actually really straight and nice. So from here, what I'm going to do is actually to take the hair straightener, and we are going to create this shape right here. It doesn't have to be perfect in the first time, but we are just gonna go and do the same thing over and over. I'm just gonna go and take my hairspray again.